Hi, my name is Beth Melito and I'm the Executive Director of the NFIB Small Business Legal Center. Today I want to share an announcement from the U.S. Department of Labor Occupational Safety and Health Administration that came in April this year. At that time, OSHA published a revised national emphasis program on heat hazards. Publication of this came just in time for the summer months and serves as a good reminder that employers need to make sure they are following OSHA's best practices for ensuring that employees are not suffering any heat-related illnesses or injuries. So what does the NEAP do? Well, it includes some new industries that will be subject to national emphasis on minimizing heat standards, and these include additional industries in retail, restaurant, manufacturing, transportation, farming, and warehousing. So a wide swath of businesses under this new revised national emphasis program. Under the NEAP, OSHA will now have the ability to expand any general OSHA inspection if there is evidence of heat hazard on site or on the premises there. In addition, OSHA will now have authority to conduct random inspections if there is a heat warning in effect in an area and they're in a targeted industry too. So what should employers do? Well, again, make sure that you're following OSHA's recommended practices to minimize heat illness and injury. To start with, make sure all your employees know what to do in a medical emergency. Also make sure that all employees, and especially managers, are trained on the symptoms of heat illness. In addition, make sure that there is cooled water available for employees and that employees both indoor and outdoor have access to either shade or a climate-controlled area. In addition, NFIB has recently republished its OSHA handbook, which will help employees ensure they know what to do if they are subject to an OSHA inspection. You can download a free copy of this handbook by going to nfib.com/legal. In addition, you can always reach out to the Legal Center support line by emailing us at info@nfib.org. Thank you. For over 25 years, the NFIB Small Business Legal Center has represented small businesses in the nation's courts. We are proud to stand up for small business and will continue to fight for the right to own, operate, and grow their businesses. For legal guides, webinars, and other resources, go to nfib.com/legal. The NFIB Legal Center relies heavily on contributions from donors like you to fund our work. To donate, go to nfib.com/legal and hit the Contribute button. We are a 501c3 organization, and all contributions are tax deductible to the extent allowed by law. Thank you for your support. Your donations make a meaningful difference. For questions on any cases or other Legal Center activity, email us at info@nfib.org.